Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing the levels. Testing the levels. Testing the levels. Testing the levels. Testing the doubles. Testing the doubles. Testing the levels. What's good, man? It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. Up bright and early today. Whoa. What's the SPY doing? Look at that thing. But my background music might be too loud. I stayed up late trying to get my stream right. Get some transition set up, and it seems like that music might be a little too loud though. I'll have to turn it down a little bit. Just a freaking just this like a stream, like a stream list, like a playlist of all my, like a bunch of beats I made. I mean, I would like play it like regular music, but I'm not trying to like catch on copyrights. What I'm doing right now is just setting up my charts. Let me check the health of the stream. Yeah, alright, looking good. I don't know why I can't whatchamacallit. I think it's something with my encoder or something. What's up with Meta, bro? That thing's looking like flat, dude. Telling you, bro. I knew it. That's why I was shorting that thing, bro. It almost shook me out, though. Let me just make sure all my transitions are right. Oh, bro, I gotta fix that, bro. Like the audio, like the background music is like not cutting off and on the transitions. Let me turn this down a little bit. Yeah, it's pretty weird. I don't know why the audio isn't. I'm gonna have to go in and like do it manually in FL Studio or something. Just cut out the beginnings of the beats to give it some time. Thing is, I haven't freaking installed none of my music software. Bro, look at Meta, bro. This thing got freaking, wow. I should have stayed in, huh? Holy shit, bro, look at that. Oh, dude. I learned my lesson with swinging overnight though, but see? That's why I was like swinging overnight, like, because I know moves like this are coming, bro. So sometimes you have the right, you know what I mean, the right thesis and a good plan, but like you're just, you feel me, like a day or two early. You feel me? So look, if I would have did that same thing just a day later, bro, I would have printed even more. Still ended up printing on that thing after being freaking down drastically. You know I was down drastically because I freaking, even though I was up all night, I still freaking stayed through the whole day of trading after being up all night, bro. So you know it was like the situation was, well, I just woke up. See, my words aren't coming to me fast. You know what I mean, though. The situation was drastic. My account almost got melted down like some goddamn plastic. They tried to put my brokerage account in a casket, but I saved it with the diamond hands. Dog, I'm just shining, man. Yeah, that's good. I don't know, bro. Look at Meta. I feel like, honestly, this thing done sold off too much and it's due for a relief rally, if you ask me. Because look, the SPY and the Qs and Apple tried to catch a bounce here, but then it got up to the top of this range and sold off. So I don't know what to think. But that, alright, let's get rid of that. I mean, that ain't really the top of the range, though. The top's up here. I mean, that's a level right there, though. 384 20s. That's a level. That's the real top. Hey, bro, I gotta get back on my music shit, bro. I'm a beast on that. That's where my real talent lies. It's just not making like a. I gotta do things right now that make money. And then what that'll do is allow me to pursue my passions. You feel me? What the hell is going on here? Active trader, bro, like gooking sometimes. Alright, I mean, this thing was on an uptrend, but it seems like it topped out up here. I mean, if you wanna, I mean, there's no trend there. We're in the uptrend. Look, we've been rallying, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for about a week or two we've been rallying. Bro, this freaking thing pisses me off. I mean, that's a good one. So we basically been in an uptrend on the SPY for about 2 weeks. I mean, so I guess that's a bear market rally. We've been bear market rallying for a little minute here. But again, like, I do not believe the bottoms are in. Let's zoom out. Actually, let's just get rid of all this. Start fresh. So look, we've rallied substantially from whatever recent low we had. Bro, I didn't know I was like talking on the background of these beats. Oh my god, like, I can't be having that. I can't be having that on the stream, bro.
Man, dog, you sound like a hater. I'm not the best, but dog, I am greater than many. Niggas know I'm in it.
Oh my god.
And I got that
shit.
TV.
They're gonna freaking
Auto.
I mean, this channel isn't monetized yet anyways. It's a new channel.
Man,
The channel's not even a month old, bro. Those things are like hitting achievements, bro. Like it's hitting achievements. When you go to your dashboard, like, all type of crap's popping up. All right, so came down here and bounced out around 350. I mean, there's a level at 362. We know that was the June low. That's been cracked. There's also a level at 357.50. There's a level at 349. Might as well call that 350. You guys probably can't see that. So I'm just putting levels in, like on the SPY, because we've been. If you look at, since we hit highs up here and actually started selling off, we've sold off, and then bear market rallied, sold off, rallied, sold off, rallied, sold off, rallied, sold off, and now we're in the midst of a rally. All right. So the question is, how much longer are we gonna rally before we sell off again? That's what we need to be paying attention to right now, because we've rallied substantially from 350 up to 380s. All right, so 50 to 80s, that's about 30 bucks. 75 to 430. Oh man, that's about 50 bucks. About 415 to 455. about 30, 40 bucks. And 350 to 385, about 35 bucks. So we might have a couple more days of rallying left. Might. I don't even know what I want to trade. I'm just like looking around. I gotta post the watch list here in a couple minutes. And you guys really need to be taking advantage of that watch list, bro. Like, I uploaded some videos yesterday and showing you the power of the watch list. Very powerful. Because like once you know the basics, bro, like once you know the basics, like it basically comes down to stock selection. And what the watch list does is take the guesswork out of stock selection. That's what it does. I remember first starting trading, not knowing what to trade, just trading random stuff. Alright, we've been checking out the SPY for a minute. And the SPY looks like the SPY and the Qs caught a bid and bounced. Then it rejected and trounced. Look, Meta's like steadily heading lower, bro. Man, I missed that. I mean, I did decent though, bro. Like I closed out those contracts yesterday up like damn near 70% on them. But look, this is what I caught. Like this fade. This fade and this fade. But look what I just missed. Dude, if I would have just held those things again overnight. Oh my God, bro. Look at that. Dude, what happened with Meta? What did I tell you? By the time this rally, the bottoms are in, Meta will be under $100, bro. I called it. Did I call it or what, bro? Called it. While the big boys and the supposedly smart money's upgrading it. I'm telling you it's going to under 100. And look where it is. Because dude, you have to be in the markets, bro. To actually see the price action and have a feel for it. Oh yeah. I said that thing was gonna be under 100, bro. That's just it got down to, where did it get down to? That thing got down to 98, bro. Oh my God, bro. I had puts with the expiration on Friday, bro. Look, expiration was tomorrow, bro. But dude, I had felt so much pain, bro, that I was just happy that you feel me? I was able to turn that pain into gain. You feel me? But now looking at this tank, bro, making me feel pain again. Because I missed out. I like this beat, bro. What the thing is, dude, it's not gonna sell off forever, bro. Like, at some point, a relief rally's gonna come in here. Because when you see something go straight up or straight down like that, it's emotional. Bruh, what did I say, bruh? Just by them, I already knew it was Fugazi. Just by them freaking, upgrading it and basically pumping it. That's it. Like, that's, you gotta be careful of that group think mentality, bro. When too many people get on one side of something, the market does the opposite. It likes to be contrarian. But I can get money in the stock market or in the streets like a barbarian. It don't matter, long as my pockets get fatter. I got a flat screen, but your girl's ass is flatter. Ooh, bars. I had 10 cars. Oh, I was about to take off, nigga. Oh, I forgot. This is the finance channel. I apologize. I don't know, man. Meta is looking very beat down, bro. And I keep seeing red prints come in. Look, it's under 100 now. I think they're about to short this thing to oblivion, bro. I called it. Go back and watch my streams, bro. I said it was going to under 100. I just didn't know it was going this fast. You know what messed Meta up? Like Zuckerberg, like trying to rebrand it and change the name in the middle of a recession, bro. That's what messed it up. I don't know what he was thinking, dude. I mean, I think it'll eventually get back, though. But, dude, who wants to have their capital tied up in this thing for years, bruh? Waiting on a maybe, bruh. Doesn't make sense. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and post a watch list. Maybe I'll come on and show you some things off the watch list. episodes. watch list is posted. Right now, people could be taking advantage of that. Let me check out some stuff from the watch list. Mullins finding its way back on there. Alright, so look. I mean, Mullins in danger of getting delisted, but it's trying to grind its way up. But look, we bottomed down here a few days back. Ran up decent, right? Obviously, people are going to take profits or whatever. But the most important thing is, after they took profits and everything, it didn't give it all back. They put in a higher low. See that? Went up. People took profits because this is like a spec play, basically. You know what I mean? It's like one of those plays that come out with catalysts that just gives you, you know what I mean, some opportunity to trade off of. So it ran up, gave back, but didn't even give back half. So that lets you know it based around here, around 50 cents. So if this thing, you feel me, holds this support, and more specifically, if it doesn't break down red to green here, it has room to the upside still. And at the same time, there's a lot of capital flowing into the markets right now. So that's why, you know, some of these plays are, you know, some life's coming into them. I mean, obviously Meta's on my watch list. You guys know that. I've been trading it. Look at this thing. Man, thing dropped out the sky, bro. Look at that. Oh my god. That's what you call a bag holder chart, bro. This thing could never get back up there. Because anytime it tries to bounce, people that are bag holding it are going to be trying to get out. Alright? So this is a bag holder chart. You feel me? Like all the people that bought in right here, there's a bunch of people that bought in here. Look at all this volume. And here, and here, and here, and here. Right? At about 275. So if this thing ever even tries to freaking get up to here, like all the bag holders that are stuck in it are gonna try to get out, which is gonna prevent it from going up. So that thing's out of there, bro. Bro, Meta. Alright, see? This is why this is why I've been trading Meta, bro. Look at that. Just consistently trending down. Faithfully. Just giving you price action to trade off of to the downside. So like I've been saying it on my channel, bro, like it's easy, bro. I feel like it's easier right now to trade because we already know what direction the market's going, bro. Going down. And knowing which way the overall market is going is a huge advantage. You feel me? Huge advantage. So, I mean, someone, like, to be quite honest, bro, someone could have grabbed some dude, and I'm sure people did. Right up here at the top, just grabbed a bunch of freaking far out puts on Meta, and them things are printing right now, bro. Imagine freaking, and people did, because if I knew the overall direction of the market, like, I'm sure, you know, there's millions of freaking people out there that's been trading way longer than me that also knew that. And I'm pretty sure some of them took advantage of that. So you got people printing right now on the way down. Look at this gap down, dude. Holy crap. That thing. What happened to this space right here, bro? The thing got abducted by aliens, my guy. There's some space-time missing right here, bro. Bruh. Whoever was freaking holding Meta around here, their freaking portfolio got abducted by aliens right here, bro. Cause there's a big gap of space and time right there, bro. Dude, it's crazy, my guy. And it's not funny, bro. It's not funny. I'm just trying to, like, you feel me? Like, lighten the mood, dude. No one takes pleasure in this. Dude, I'm just seeing a bunch of red prints, bro. Damn, I wish I would have held those contracts, bro. Them puts. And I was up 70% on them things. Here, bro. I was up 70% here. Imagine if I would have just held through this. I would have been up, like, who knows, like 200%. Can't be mad at yourself for realizing profits though, dog. Look at this thing. Providing value, bro. Off that watch list. What is this, an IPO or something? Oh. Look at this daily chart. AgroFresh. Definitely not an IPO. This thing goes back to 2015, bro. 1250s. You probably got people stuck in this thing, bag holding from back here, bro. So again, this is a bag holder chart. Whenever it tries to bounce, people are gonna try to get out. They're gonna try to salvage whatever they have left of their money that they put in this thing. I mean, that doesn't mean that there's no opportunity to trade off of, but if we're talking like over the long term, like this is a bag holder chart, bro. If you don't know what a bag holder chart is, it's just, or a bag holder, it's just someone just caught holding the bag. Like they got in on the plane, that thing sold off, and they didn't get out, and now they're stuck in it because they don't want to realize the loss. They're bag holding. So this thing's at $1.50. I mean, it's got some volume, some high volume. It might give you a little action. But that's how you have to look at it. Just I mean, dude, even on the daily chart, this thing's barcoding, bro. What the hell? I've never seen a daily chart look like this. That's like straight algorithmic trading, bro. This is a daily chart. Crazy. But look at it today. Again, this is another one off the watch list. I know. Me knowing that this is a bag holder chart, you would expect this thing, and the SPY and the Qs are running up right now, bro. You would expect this thing to you know, maybe squeeze up a little bit higher, but ultimately top out at the top of a range, at the top of the range, and fell off. So basically, you got shorts and people looking to sell the rip and fade it when it gets up to where we at? What's this today? I mean, when it gets up to one of these daily levels here, it's gonna reject, and that's when you're gonna have the shorts and the rip faders fade it down. Look at this thing. Epics. It's a biotech. And biotech plays are highly volatile. You have people that's all they trade. They just they trade biotechs and they short them when the FDA approval gets denied or whatever. I mean, from what I've seen, it's a viable strategy. Because the biotech space is very difficult for like an upcoming company to get a new drug through the pipeline, get it approved, get the FDA approval, all that stuff. And like basically the majority of them don't get approved. So based off that logic, you can just short them. You short them and 9 out of 10 or 8 out of 10 is going to be a winner. But you are going to get a few that get approved and freaking could go ahead and squeeze you out. I don't like those odds. I just like slow and steady. The hell? Give me today's chart. Oh, this thing, bro. I mean, I showed you guys a little off the watch list. Didn't show you the whole thing. October 27. Can't show you too much for free. Got people paying for that. Bro. Man, bro. Look at this thing. I don't know if I even want to trade this, bro. It's already sold up so drastically that it's due for a bounce. You got 10 minutes to market open, basically. This thing's still selling off. And I was up late last night too, bro. Like, I'm still not fully rested. But I got a couple hours of sleep. Because I was up trying to make sure that my stream was set up correctly. To make sure that I can provide you guys with the highest level of value that I can. I'm really looking for someone, I'm looking for someone to hire. I need someone that knows how to run social media campaigns and deal with content, edit content and stuff. The pay's gonna be decent. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to find someone when these sweeping layoffs hit. And that's the main reason for this channel. I want people to have financial literacy and create generational wealth. I mean, even if they don't do it, they can at least pass the financial literacy down to the next generation, and they can create the generational wealth. But the goal here is for all of us to create some generational wealth. All right. Market open in bro, that's not right. All right, market's about to open. We got calls. We got options expiring tomorrow. Bruh, look, this thing done tanked so much that I got 20 strikes on my options chain, and like none of them are around where the price is trading at right now. I had to go to all strikes. That's how far this thing tanked. Well, $100 call with the expiration tomorrow is $30. The ask is $30.65. The bid is $28. So that means one contract is $3,600. And the puts though, like 98 puts are you know what I mean, 19 cents. But I don't even, let me see, 98, and it's a $4 spread. Got 3 hours till market open. Come in 3 minutes. Bro, The 98 puts are cheap. Oh Lord. Oh, I messed something up. Alright. The 98 puts are cheap, bro. Look, that thing already tanked past 98. Dude, something's wrong with my chart. I'm missing info. Oh, there we go. I want to see how this thing reacts off the open, bro. Market open in less than a minute. I'm expecting this thing to bounce, bro. Bro, look at all those red prints. 98 put. Look, the 98 put jumped from 19 cents to $3. So if I would have grabbed that 98 put, I would have been up like freaking $280 off rip. It's crazy, bro. I was about to grab it too. I mean, for 19 cents. But I feel like it's going to go to the upside. Only because it sold off so much. But again, we've been bear market rallying for a minute now. Oh, you never know. I'm just trying to make sure that my preview and everything's locked into place. All right, dude. Those freaking 98 puts printed, dude, in 5 seconds. Could have grabbed like freaking 10 of those things. They were 19 cents, bro. So 190 bucks would have made freaking like 5 grand in 2 seconds. Now the 98 puts are worth 250. They were just worth 19 cents. So look, the 97 puts. I don't know, bro. I might go ahead and grab. I'm gonna grab a 96. I'm gonna grab some 96 puts. Got filled. I gotta be ready to stop out though, because I feel like it's oversold, bro. So I'm just trying to realize a quick little gain, and then I'm just trying to scalp. Look, I got alerts going off. I mean, as of now, my contracts are down. Right now they're up. Now they're going up. Dude, my whatchamacallit's not right, because I was trying to change it. My P&L little chart. I mean, this is basically like a little YOLO type play, bro. It's just looking so weak. Man, I slipped, bro. Should have just grabbed them 98 puts. Like right before market open, they were 19 cents. Now they're worth 274. This thing's putting in a bullish pattern, but it's looking weak though. So what we have to basically pay attention to right now is the big boys. If the big boys are rejecting. But they're trying to recover. Apple freaking bounced up out the gate, hit the top of a little hit the top of a you know what I mean, little intraday, not intraday, but just like a range, the top of like a minor range, and rejected. And so did the Qs and the SPY. The SPY bounced up to 384 and then rejected. The Qs bounced up to like the 278 area and rejected. 278.15. And the SPY, we can go ahead and say, bounced up to like 384.15. See, the longer this thing sits down here in bases like this, the more wary I am. Positions going against me. Decent. I'm gonna have to stop out pretty soon. Look at all those red prints though, bro. Like I know the thesis and theory and plan is sound, but what has me worried is because this thing sold off so much that, like, you know what I mean, like seller exhaustion, bro. And this thing's looking like it's charging up, bro. Getting ready to rip. Basing down here on top of the 9, right at VWAP, under the 120. It's having trouble with VWAP. So what I'd love to see is this thing crack a little bit more before it finds a bottom. With the markets, the market's like selling off, dude. It's freaking tanking. So that bodes well. But again, Meta has seen so much destruction lately, bro, that it's due for a relief rally. I'm scared of a relief rally right now. I've seen a bunch of green prints. I'm gonna go to the 2-minute. Red prints. Red prints. So now the market's trying to bounce. If this market bounces, I gotta stop out. Because the market bouncing is gonna inherently drag Meta up with it. The market selling off should drag Meta down with it. And look, let me give you an example of what the market's doing right now. Look at this. So we bounced up, tested the top of that range, and then sold off. But that could just be the top, and now we could be putting in the bottom. For this not to be the bottom of the range, we'd have to crack this 120. And Meta's freaking, it's trying to bounce on me, bro. I missed my play. Those puts, the 98 puts, bro. I called it out. But grabbing something right before market opens always a gamble. But dudes, look at Apple. The thing looks bearish to me. Look, it's cracking to the downside. It cracked to the downside a little bit. Yeah, it's cracking to the downside. Look, now it's made a new low. So this pre-market right here, this level, what we need to see is Apple crack that level and stay up underneath it. And bro, I ain't gonna lie, the markets are looking super weak, bro. They're trying to bounce, but as I was observing, we have been bear market rallying for a minute now. And hold on one second. I'm back. What's this thing done? Bro, the markets are tanking to the downside, bro. Look at this. Look. That's why I was looking at the daily chart and seeing how long we've been rallying for. And we have been bear market rallying for a minute, which led me to believe that it was time for us to see some downside action. And now, looking back at that theory in hindsight, it seems to be correct. The only thing, bro, like in normal circumstances, this play would have been tanking, bro. I would have been way in the money right now. But because seller exhaustion and this thing's already tanked so much, that's the only thing holding it up right now. But bro, I called it, bro. I called it. I said before, when it's all said and done and the bottoms are in, Meta will be under $100. And if you're one of those people that got in early and rode it up to the top and you're still holding it, I think it's wise to lock in profit. Did I not say that? I said it yesterday or the day before, bro. And look, this thing it's under $100, bro. I mean, I'm even like, I'm shocked that I was right that fast. I mean, I knew I was gonna be right, but I didn't know it was gonna be right that fast. That's crazy. All right. See, now we got some bouncing trying to come into the market. And I should have grabbed the 98 puts. My position's moving against me. And now that we got bouncing coming in, that's all Meta's gonna need to catch a bounce, bro. So what we need to see is continuation to the downside. I don't like being in positions like this where I'm like sitting around waiting for the move. I feel like if the move doesn't happen within like the first minute or so, that I'm wrong. And my positions are moving against me. I'm down. And I'm gonna give him time to work. Because they've been trying to buy this thing up, and it hasn't really moved much. But I think that's because the overall market was selling off. So now that we're seeing some capital flow into the markets, this thing has the potential to rip. And if this thing crosses over the 120, I'm gonna stop out. I'll eat that loss. Those 98 puts, bro. They printed $300 in 1 second. That was the play. I hope someone took that thing. I called it out, but I didn't have the guts to take it. And now I'm on the wrong side of this thing. Bro, the overall market's selling off though. Like, it's trying to catch a bid though. Trying to catch a bid. This thing's creeping up to the 120, bro. Oh man, I think it's about to rip. But look at the SPY. Look at the SPY. It looks pretty weak. All these resistances up here, look. Right here. And right here. So right now it's trying to reclaim the short term in the 9 and VWAP. If it does that, I'm basically F. Look at the SPY. I don't know, the SPY is looking weak, but my position's moving against me decent. I'm scared to look at my P&L. Bro, the market's tanking, dog. The market's tanking. That bodes well for my position. Like I said, bro, the only thing that's saving it right now is seller exhaustion. If this thing hadn't sold off so much, I'd be printing right now. But I don't believe that with the overall market tanking that even seller exhaustion can hold this thing up. I don't believe it. Look at the SPY. Look, it's cracking red to green. It's cracking previous close. If that thing cracks previous close, bro, like it just did, bro. And then the Qs are way under red to green, bro. The Qs are backside. Apple's backside. Look, this thing's been fighting here, bro. I do not believe that seller exhaustion is enough to keep this thing up against the entire market, bro. I just don't. I don't, bro. I don't think it's possible. Maybe if it was Apple. You know, Apple is the most heavily weighted stock in the indexes. But if it's not Apple... Alright, so this is concerning. Because the SPY and the Qs tanked. The SPY went backside. They tanked, and now they've got down to a level and they're trying to catch a bounce. Dog, you trying to catch an ounce. The market is trying to fucking trounce on my gains. They're trying to make me feel some pain, but I like to dance in the rain. I'm down on the contracts. Still a decent amount. 50%. That's a lot. But dude, again, look at the SPY. And you tell me if seller exhaustion is enough to keep Meta up with the SPY doing this. I don't think so. Look at the Qs. Bro. The bear market rally is over with. Told y'all. But at the same time, that's not what I'm concerned with right now. Should have just traded something else. Because I already made decent gains off Meta for the week. I should have left it alone. But I mean, anything else, like any other large cap or mega cap, you could have grabbed puts on out the gate and print it. Alright, the SPY and the Qs have tanked, and now they're like trying to catch another bounce. The Qs are trying to bounce at they caught a bounce at the 273.75 handle, and the SPY are trying to catch a bounce. They caught a bounce at the 380.75, around there. So this is what's concerning, right? Even though the SPY and the Qs have been selling off drastically, because Meta has sold off so much, it hasn't sold off with the rest of the market. So what could end up happening is if the SPY and the Q sell off to a certain point and then decide to bounce, they can drag Meta up with it. But Meta hasn't participated in the downside. So that's risky for me. And I want this play to hurry up and get done, because I got something else I need to take care of. Look at this thing, bro. It's trying to bounce, bro. It's trying to catch a bounce on the 9. Trying to bounce off that 9. Hasn't broken above the 120 yet. But it has grinded up and crossed over the 9 the short term in VWAP. I don't like this price action. Well, look at they're just hitting it with red prints. Dog, the shorts are piling on this thing, bro. They're about to short it to oblivion. Oblivion. Couldn't find a word. I couldn't find a verb. I couldn't find a nerve. I'm talking about the candy. Cracking to the downside. But did you grab some puts, and are you down the ride? The trend to the bottom. Did you lock the door? Hold on. My bad. I'm back. Dude, the markets are selling off, but I called it too, bro. Like seller exhaustion, bro. In any other normal circumstance, Meta would have been on crack to the downside, but it's already cracked so much. But people aren't willing to let go. They think it's a good deal down here. I mean, I'm still in the contracts. Expiration tomorrow. Like that, like I was already in this play. I was in the 131 puts. I was up 70% on those yesterday. If I would have just held them, dude, I would have been up. I don't know, probably 1,000%, bro. So my risk to reward on this trade wasn't really that good. But I am banking on some logic. The SPY and the Qs are trying to catch a bounce. But they've been trying to catch bounces all morning, and they just keep heading lower. See, this is what's concerning. The SPY and the Qs are tanking. And Apple too. But now Apple's trying to catch a bounce. But these things have been tanking. And again, Meta hasn't participated in the trends of the downside. All the while, the overall market's been tanking. Meta has just been trading sideways and consolidating. And look, I'm gonna have to stop out. This thing crosses the 120, bro. I'm gonna stop out. I gotta stop out. Oh, hell yeah. There's some bouncing coming in. Hold up. Let me take a closer look. I was watching the indices on the 10-minute. Oh. Bro, like how long are they gonna be able to hold this thing up, bro? Against the market selling off, though. They're holding it up. Damn, I should have grabbed those 98 puts for 19 cents, bro. Oh my God. I could have grabbed 10 of them for 190. And immediately after market open, they were worth 300 each. So 190 would have turned into 3,000 in 1 second, and I would have been done trading within 1 second of market open. These things are, I mean, the position's moving against me. But notice, Meta got up here to this 120 and rejected, which means it doesn't want to be in a uptrend. Remember, I used the 120 as a directional. But now I see the SPY and the Qs bouncing, bro. And Apple. It could be considered a healthy pullback though. Because, you know, whenever positions going in your direction, you don't want to see it go straight up or straight down. You want to see it go in your direction with moderation. So it's looking like the SPYs and the Qs have based and are trying to reverse trend, putting in a series of higher lows. But the present candle is was wicking up and trying to reject off the 9. Like, dog, this thing's just flat, bro. Should have probably grabbed a freaking, like a spread like a debit spread or something. Yeah, we got some bouncing coming in. Look at the SPY. This thing's now crossed over the 9 EMA and my short term, trying to go red to green. The Qs are trying to do the same thing, but the SPY's leading. Bro, this thing wants to crack so bad, dog. What the fuck was that? Excuse my French. Sorry. It seems like something came unplugged though. My PC. I think I know what it was. It's my drive. The Fugazi cheap SSD I got off Amazon. Dog. All right. Now it's looking dangerous for me. Look at this. The market should turned around. Don't worry about that. Taking some security measures. Dude, the SPY and the Qs are freaking ripping. And Apple. That doesn't bode well, bro. It doesn't. Because I feel like Meta is so downtrodden and oversold that any little thing, it's looking for any little reason to take off like a rocket. And once it gets going, no one will stop it. My position, I'll have to drop it and take the loss like a boss. Don't worry, I'm used to paying the cost. Look at this. Dude, even though the SPY and the Qs and Apple just ripped and put in this bullish pattern, Meta really didn't do nothing. This thing, the SPY got back up here, went back front side, crossed over a previous close, got up here to this 382. And it's rejecting 382. Can't see it. I think it's 382.82s. Now, Meta is trying to put in a bearish pattern, stepping down. Dog, they're hitting this thing with red prints, bro. Like they're piling on. They're piling on old Zuckerberg, bro. That man lost a couple $1 billion over the night. Like Mark Zuckerberg's lost like $10 billion over the last 10 days. That's crazy, bro. But I mean, even with those kind of losses, he's still straight. And he'll eventually make it back. He's just too far ahead of his time right now. And then, like I said, the brand change. He did that brand change and that name change at the worst possible time, bro. When we're going into a recession. Yeah. They keep hitting it with red prints every time it gets up to the 120. But I feel like one of these times it's gonna get back up to the 120 and the sellers are gonna be exhausted. And there ain't gonna be no more red prints. And that's when this thing's gonna take off. I'm ready to stop out and flip long, bro. Because look, right now, the 101s calls are 230. So if this thing doesn't crack to the downside in the next few minutes, I'm gonna stop out and flip long. I mean, luckily I'm not at full size, but I grabbed more than one or two. That's something that I need to work on though. Going like with my first mind, like my gut instinct, because my gut instinct was to go ahead and grab those 98 puts at 19 cents. I called it out, but I didn't go with my gut instinct. And because I didn't go with my gut instinct, I missed out on some decent gains, but also still tried to basically take the same sort of position. But when I took the position, like, the premiums had risen drastically. And now we have strength coming into the market, bro. The market's looking so bullish right now. I need to probably stop out. Down. Decent. Look at this. I really feel like it's time to stop out and flip long. And the longer I wait, the more expensive the contracts are getting, the calls. So right now, like, yeah, we're at 101. So you be looking to grab the 102s at about $2.20 a contract. So with the 100x multiplier, that's $220. But like, I mean, yeah, dude, I just flipped long. But see, before market open, bro, the calls were freaking like ridiculously expensive. But now they're reasonable. Man, this is what I don't like. Sitting around watching a position go against me. I should have left Metal alone, bro. Already hit on this thing. Like the chart's so flat, bro. You can't even see nothing. I wanna go to the 5 minute. Bro, dude, look at that. This thing will eventually try to go back red to green, bro. And I feel like I need to catch a piece of that. Cause right now I'm hemorrhaging. Look at it, it's just consistently stepping up on the 5 minute. Little by little. Little stairway to heaven right there. I'm about to stop out. I got a fucking huge loss here, bro. Alright. The 101, we're at 101, so the 102s. I feel like as soon as I freaking stop out and try to flip long, that's when the move that I've been waiting for is gonna come. I'm gonna give it a little more time, bro. But at this point, I can't, like, I can't stay in this thing, bro, and keep bleeding. They were still in a bear market rally. We're still trying to continue this bear market rallying. Look, from the bottom. But that's a good move right there. This is bigger than the average bear market rally. So that makes me feel like we have. Look at this gap down, bro. Oh my God. Why didn't I just hold my position for one more day, though? Oh, I could have been done trading for the month. And this thing's grinding up. Look at it. It's freaking just consistently stepping up. Consistently stepping up, putting in higher lows. And notice you don't see as many red prints coming through as we were seeing at one point. It's getting kind of hot in here. And the room temp, it says room temp at 66. That must just be my body heat from these losses. Look, it's making its way up to the 120, bro. Yeah, ho. The SPY and the Qs have been, and Apple have been in a serious bullish pattern, ripping. And that shit got me tripping. I feel like if I don't get out right now, then I'm slipping. Because look at this. Look at that. I mean, perfect, bro. Like, oh. Could have just traded anything else and just caught the washout to the bottom, then flipped long and caught the ride up. Let me see. The thing is too, like people that are like caught holding the bag on Meta are definitely not gonna be in a rush to get out of it. You feel me? So hold on. So that's another thing that's dangerous right now. Bro, look, this thing's down $27, bro. I mean, the 103s. The 103s aren't even that expensive. All right, let's see if, okay, so the SPY, the Qs, and Apple are topping out and seeming like they are going to try to switch direction back to the downside. Let's see if that is enough to drag Meta back down. If it's not, then I'm stopping out. The SPY, the Qs, and Apple have topped out at 384.50. The SPY 384.50s, the Qs 277.50, and Apple 148. They've all hit those levels and basically topped out and rejected, and now have reverse trend back to the downside. So hopefully we can see some follow through, and then that can drag down Meta. It's like consistent. Look, Right here, you had 14 million shares. Then 7, 8 million, 6 million, 6 million, 4 million, 3.3 million, 3.6 million, and then consistently 2.8 million, 2.8 million, 3 million, 3.2 million. So someone is buying the dip consistently on this thing. A big boy. You got a whale out there that's just consistently buying the dip, holding it up. That's a lot. And you see how consistent it is around this time? Look, 3.3, 3.6, 2.8, 2.8, 3, 3.3. It's like they're strategically buying the dip. And now I see the SPY, the Qs, and Apple trying to rip. I'm really considering stopping out right now and flipping long. Bro, the SPY, the Qs, and Apple, bro, the SPY just tried to freaking take off to the moon, my guy. But then it hit the top. It hit a resistance up there and rejected decent. But the SPY is way over red to green. The Qs haven't claimed red to green yet. Apple hasn't claimed red to green yet. Apple is still under the 120. The Qs are over VWAP, the 120, the 9, and my short term, and right under previous lows. The SPY is above everything. And then Apple is above the short term VWAP and the 9, under the 120 and under previous close. But on Apple, I see a wick reaching up and trying to reject off that 148. But the Qs and the SPY are trying to squeeze higher with a wick on the bottom. So like this market condition is so crazy that like the large caps that normally run in lockstep with each other are kind of out of sync right now. Meta's definitely out of sync. Apple is kind of out of sync. But the SPY and the Qs are still in sync. This thing, look at all the green print, so dude, it wants to sell off so bad, bro. That's the only reason why I'm still in it. Against my better judgment. See, you know what I've realized? The last few days, I've gotten away from my strategy. And I've found myself swing trading these things, which is not what I want to do. I think because I was forced to hold that position overnight and basically swing it, and then the next day, like it started going in my direction so much that I stayed in it longer and made it a longer swing trade. And now, ever since then, I found myself basically swinging these things. So I think my strategy, I've lost my strategy. I gotta get back to my strategy. Damn, bro. Just want to get out. Because freaking it's some valuable time right now. I mean, let's see if Meta can put in a bullish pattern. I mean, a bearish pattern. Because last time it tried to, it was just a, you know what I mean, a slight pullback, a healthy pullback. Let's see if we can actually put in a bearish pattern with 2 candles. Nope. Trying to bounce. I want to see a bearish pattern to give me some confidence. Bro, the SPY's ripping. What's crazy is the SPY, the Qs, and Apple are ripping, and Meta isn't. But I feel like it's going to. Feel like it's gonna rip. Need to get out of this and handle my business. Wait, where's my position at? Alright, yeah. I'm gonna get ready to just get, I'm just gonna stop out. This thing has moved against me slowly but surely, bro. Decent. I'm damn near giving back all the gains I made yesterday. Like, it just keeps going up. Alright, let's see if we can put in a bearish pattern here and not base. I want to see us, and I just got that signal that a big move's coming. Like, I want this thing to put in a lower low and a lower high. Seeing that flash? That signifies that a big move's coming. I don't know why it always does that. I feel like the data, like, look, flashing. Telling you, every time my charts flash like that and glitch, it means a big move's coming, bro. I gotta whatchamacallit. Playlist. I gotta hopefully that thing hasn't gone against me too much while I wasn't paying attention. Alright. Yeah, because like that beat on the playlist, like I forgot I was talking in the background. I was saying curse words. Alright, so like this is kind of bearish. Because look, we put in, it looks like it's a lower low with the wick on top, and this looks almost like a lower low or a basing, but with the wick on top. So it's kind of like a bearish pattern, but we need to see this thing put in a lower low, bro. And again, the big boys are trying to sell off. Now, last time they sold off, Meta was able to withstand it and not go any lower. I feel like there's a hard floor under here somewhere. Let's go to the daily. Where are we trading at? All the way down here. $103. Like, dude, this thing has never been this low. But oh yeah, it has. I gotta see where these supports are at, bro. There could be some decent support under here. Trading like right around here right now. So, right there. We also got one right here. Got one right here. $96.66. Also nice rejection off of there. Base there for a couple of days. Alright. So the SPY, the Qs, and Apple rejected pretty decent. Headed to the downside, and then the Qs got down to VWAP and bounced, which VWAP also corresponds with the 276.25 handle. The SPY bounce, we're gonna go ahead and call it 280, 383, 383.30. but they look like they want to crack for more downside. Because look, see that wick reaching up and trying to touch the sky, rejecting off the 120, cracking VWAP. So if we crack this time, I would expect Meta to finally go ahead and crack. See all those red prints? And there's the bearish pattern that I was talking about, that I wanted to see. Wish there was a way I could zoom in. There's the bearish pattern that I was hoping for. Now we want to see some continuation. Look, Apple got up here, hit a resistance, same one from off the open. Right here, there's 148. 148.20s. Hit that resistance and just cracked. Going to the downside. It cracked the 9 VWAP and the short term on low volume. So imagine when some volume comes in to the downside. But again, bro, with the markets tanking and selling off like this, like Meta is not trying to freaking crack. And again, the only explanation is solar exhaustion. It's got to be solar exhaustion. But I mean, honestly, bro, like this thing already cracked 100. I could see people, you know, being justified in trying to buy the dip at 100, like a nice round number like that. But we've already cracked that level. So there shouldn't be that many people trying to buy this dip at 100. That's how I'm thinking. I mean, so it's critical thinking, bro. I remember critical thinking being a subject in school, bro. In grade school. And I excelled at it. Because see, a lot about the stock market and price action is like knowing the fundamentals and the price action and the charts and being able to do technical analysis. That is a lot of it, but also a big part of it is like the psychology, and that's where the critical thinking comes in. Because not only do you need to be able to, you know, read price action and do technical analysis and all of those things, but you also need to be able to take into account what other people are going to do and how other people are going to react And that's where the psychology and the critical thinking comes in. You feel me? A lot goes into it. But if you ask any successful professional trader, they will tell you that psychology is a big part of it. So, yeah, technical analysis and price action and fundamentals. Yeah, that's a big part of it too. But psychology plays just a bigger role. But like freaking these things cracked and now they're trying to catch a bounce again. The SPY is trying to break down VWAP but trying to hold it. Apple already cracked VWAP. The Q's already cracked VWAP. Like right now, bro, like just feel like I don't know, like I just like I'm down to just take this loss, get out. Only because the trade's taking so long. Like I'm seeing the tape pick up speed. With more green prints than red. Look at all those green prints. Look at the level 2. Fifth Earth just dropped down to 52s, 53s, 52, 54, 56, 57, 51, 51, 43, 50s, back to the 50s. All those red prints should put us in the 40s, yeah. 43 for a second. Now back to 50, 49, 48. Green prints, red prints brought us back down to 43. Big blocks. 47s, green prints put us in the 50s, 52, 53, 54, 52, 40, 45, 46s, red prints put us back down in the 40s, green prints, red prints, green, red. It's hard to even watch this level 2, it's moving so much. Like, I've seen a bunch of red prints go by and didn't really see us drop down that much. Like, I expect to see 42s off of, see 40, 35, there you go. 36, 37, all those red prints. Like we're in the 40s, bunch of red prints, 30s. Alright. 36. Bunch of red prints. I expect to see 32s. Yeah, big block of 32s. They're buying it up. They keep hitting it with the red. 33s. You need to see more red prints hit. You need to get this thing under the 30s. Well, those red prints put it in the 20s and 15s. Now 20. Now 19. Now 16 in the teens. Now 9, 8. Red prints. Back in the 08, 05. Like those, like the level 2 is looking like the thing was about to crack pretty soon. Not even looking at the chart. I'm just looking at the level 2 in the tape. I can tell from that the chart we should be putting in the bullish looking candle. I'm not looking at the chart. That's level 2 in tape. See those red prints put us in the 30s, in the 20s, 26, back up to 35. Red prints, more red prints that put us in the 20s. That put us in the 20s, 26. See? Now back in the 30s, they keep trying to buy it up. Red prints, that should put us in the teens. Another big wave of red that put us in the teens. We're still in the teens, trying to grind up. All right, trying to grind up 17s, 18s, 19s, back in the 20s, right up to 25. More red prints. Now we're back in the 20s. All right, back down to 20, 21. Those should put us in the teens. All right, 15. That should. Come on, we want to get preteen here. We want to look at the chart. Yeah, see? Those red prints on the bid. Look, now we're under the teens. We're at 10. I want to see us go down to preteen and adolescent, and then infants, and then newborn. Newborn would be like 1 cent or 0 flat. More red prints. We're in the teens. 13s, more red prints. 12, more red prints. I expect to see preteens. They keep fighting for it, bro. Bunch of green prints coming across, driving us back up to the 20s. Look, even though that wasn't enough, they hit us with a bunch of green after it. We're in the 20s. Bunch of red prints. I expect to see us back in the teens. Back in the teens. 15, 18, 17, 18, 17, 16s, 15s, 14s, 13s, 12s, 11s. Fighting for it hard, bro. The meta is doing like its own thing compared to the other large caps. Now we're down in the infants, 2s, 3s, 5, 8, 7-year-olds, 4s, 7, 6s, 7, 6s. Red prints. I expect to see us hit newborn area territory. 01, 00. Almost there. 02s, big block of 02s, big block of 02s, 01s. I gotta skip this part. Alright. Okay, so 00's flats. They're fighting for it. We were there. It got to 1 cent and then flat. 101 flat. We're getting back down there. 0201. They're trying to buy the dip here off this round number. Look, 0100. 00. 00, big blocks. Alright, they just cracked it for a second. Now back 90s. 89. 86. Red prints 81. More red print 77. I'm starting to see some velocity pick up towards the downside based off the time and sells in the level 2. Not even looking at the chart. Not looking at the chart. Red prints, 70s. All right, now we want to see 69, 68, 66, 65, 66, 64, 63, 63. Bunch of red prints. Bunch of red prints. Low 60s. I expect to see 50s off those red prints. Off these red prints right here. We're fighting for it. I'm gonna look at the chart real quick. Alright. Look like we really need to crack 100. Once it cracks 100, I think the dip buyers and the people holding on will let go. That 100 level is a huge psychological level. All these red prints just keep coming in. This thing's back in the 50s. A whole dollar lower. It was 101.50s, now it's 100.50s. Red prints. They're trying to buy the dip. Momentum coming in. Alright, red prints. Hit. Some more. Not enough. But that should be enough to get us down in the 60s. Bro, they are buying this thing ferociously. They don't want it. They don't want this thing to get to 100, bro. All those red prints, I expect to see 70s. More red prints, I expect to see 60s. All those red prints. Yeah, look, 68. 68. 68. 70s. 69. 67. Bunch of green prints. They're trying to buy the dip. 60. Bunch of red prints. They need to just let go, bro. Just let go. We're in the 50s. Just let go. Just let go, bro. Alright. We're in the 50s. Bunch of green prints coming in. They're trying to buy the dip. 62s. We're back in the 60s. Trying to climb. With the red prints. You trying to buy the dip, you will get head dents in your cranium, dog. Come through and hit you with a log. And plus I see clear in the fog. Dog, you feeling like you about to jump? Are you a frog? Then do it. Leap. Dog, but I peep. Dog, come trying to creep. Your head will leak. Dog, when I hit you with the ratchet. Not the one that goes with the socket. Say that backwards. It's all good. Alright, come on, man. We're in the 50s for a second. Those red prints should get us back in the 50s. All those red prints. It's holding on. Those red prints should have us in the 50s, bro. Alright, come on. 59. Big block of 59s. Bunch of red prints. 57. 55. 55, 53, 52, 50. 40s now is what I want to see. Falling is what I want to be. Gotta put in the work. I like this beat. This thing doesn't even have a lot of sounds in it. Like, all it is the chords with like some bells layered on it, and some effects on it, and then just the freaking 808 and hi-hat and clap. I made all that's original. The hi-hat, everything. Here's how it goes. Slows down and speeds up. That's what gives it that bounce. And then with that little pause, I'm a big cat, a lion. You got little claws. You're a little kitty. Go scratch on the tree. Me, I'm trying to snatch on some G's and turn them into millions. But I'm not greedy. I'll use them to feed the children. Ooh, bars. I got a lot of them. All them fake flaw dudes, I spotted them. Trying to bring a little excitement to the stream, bro. That's all, bro. Don't take nothing personal. But we are in the 30s. Man, this thing is looking 30. I'm down to get my hands dirty. Are you worthy? Did you hear me? I said I wanna see this thing crack so I can get all my money back out the market. Look at this. Active Trader Pro was trash. That's why I'm switching to DAS. By the way, the SPY, the Qs, and Apple was like selling off, what they call a bounce. Down here, it's the Qs called a bounce at we're just gonna go ahead and call it 274.50s, and then the SPY called a bounce at previous close, red to green, bounced back up to VWAP and rejected. See, this thing, bro, is like, it's been putting in a bearish pattern, bro, but honestly, I got the 28 expiration. Bro, this is the worst day to be stuck in a trade like this, bro. I really have important business to attend to. Dog, it's like putting in a bearish pattern. Look, down in the 30s. I mean, we were. Alright, see those red prints? I expect to see 30s. I expect to see 30s. Alright. They're trying to buy the dip. More red prints right there. That should get us in the 20s. Oh, they're trying to buy the dip. Back to 33. 38. More red prints. Get us back down to the low 30s. Look, all those red prints hit, and then we jumped up to the 40s. Doesn't really make sense. Out of those red prints, look, the red prints, like, I've just seen red prints make us bounce. Just looking at the bid and just looking at the level 2. I don't know about the candles, but just reading this tape and this level 2. All right, I expect to see 29s off those red prints. All right, we're 27. All right, expect to stay in the 20s with those red prints. We can see another wave right there. Should get us under the quarter. All right, 20 cents, 18, 15. All right, now I see a block of 14s, block of 11s, 12s, 13s, 16s. Red prints here. Like, we're down in the teens. We're under the teens. We're at 9s now. Not back in the teens for a second. Now 12, now 7. Dog, based off the tape in the level 2, it seems like this thing's about to crack 100, bro. But let's see what happens when we get to 100, because it's a psychological level. Position still against me, but it's not nearly as much as it was. I still wouldn't be happy stopping out right now, though. You know those red prints? When they come with the green, they're trying to buy the dip. Trying to buy the dip. Red prints should get us down. It should get us down to 5. They immediately came and bought it back up. All right, 7, 8, 9, 7. Block of 8s, 9, 8s, 10. Block of 9s. Those red prints. 10s, 9s, more red prints. More. They need to dump on this thing right now. Right now, while we have the momentum. Hear that alarm going off on that beat. Getting the critical levels. Oof. Got lucky, boy. All right, we were just at 1, 4s, 3s, wait, 5s, red prints, 3s, 3s, 2s, 1s, 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 2s. Dog, they're fighting for this dollar, bro. This $100 mark. Those red prints should put us in 99s. Like, nah. That ain't look right. That looks sus. Right when those red prints hit and we're supposed to crack the 100, like, some weirdness went on. My screen flashed. We see the SPY and the Qs and Apple over here trying to catch a bounce. And look, this thing just went from 1 cent up to 30s. Look, 39, bro. It's because there's strength coming in on the SPY and the Qs. Like, the things just rocketed. Look at all those red prints. SPY and the Qs and Apple just put it in a decent bullish pattern, bro. And the SPY is trying to take off like a rocket right now, bro. Like, right when it got down to previous close, the thing bounced decent. Spread breads. We need to see these red prints get us back down in the teens, bro. It's climbing higher. We got so close. But look, this is what's going on the Qs. Look at this. Just rocketing, bro. Look, got down here to that level and just bounced. Same thing with the SPY, look. SPY freaking hit that thing, bounced. Got to the 120, tried to sell off again, got the previous close and just rocketed it. Just through all the indicators, taking off. Dog, we're getting so close. But even though it's bouncing decent, it's wicking up. They're selling into it. Into the Qs, the SPY, and Apple. The Qs have a wick reaching up and rejecting off VWAP. And so does Apple. But the SPY is clear of everything. It still has a wick reaching up and rejecting though. Off of like 383 40s. Oh look, red prints got us to 100. That should crack the level, bro. All those red prints, you seen that? That should get us to the 90s. Dude, there's a wall of buyers at 100 flat. Look, it cracked it. Cracked it. No, it cracked it for a second. So there's a wall of buyers at 100. They're defending this thing. Look, 100. Dog, we're at 100.00 for a hot minute, bro. Look, all those red prints. Look at these red prints, bro. That shit get us down there, bro. Like, red prints. Dude, there's a wall of buyers at the $100 mark, bro. We cracked it for a second, bro. Look, again, those red prints should get us there. Right there. Look, 0100. Red prints. Look, a wall of buyers. Look at how big this block is of hundreds. Look at all those red prints. Look, still wall of buyers at 100. That should crack it. Instead of cracking it, all those red prints made us jump up. It doesn't make sense. Dog. Like, who's trying to buy the dip here at 100, bro? The level's been cracked already. Look at all those red prints. That should crack it. Right there. 99.82s. There we go. Psychological level cracked. Now we should see a bunch of red prints. If people are thinking logical right now, you should see a bunch of red prints. And you should see this thing tank, bro. I want to see this thing tanking and hit a circuit breaker halt. Look, 80s. Look, red, like, bro. These red prints. No way. They better not. Dog, they gave it back. Oh my God, dude. They're like fighting for this thing, bro. Look, back in the 99s. 94, 93, 90, 89, 88, 85, 81. 87. Like, bro, this psychological level is cracked, bro. Like, we should start seeing a bunch of red prints and the tape pick up speed. Seeing all those red prints? Look, we've been putting in a bearish pattern here for a while now. Look. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So for an hour straight, we've been stepping down, putting in a bearish pattern. And this thing's trying to bounce back. 92s, 94s, 95s, 97, 96, 95s, 91s, 80s, 84, 85s. Damn, bro. Dog. I feel like this thing wants to crack so bad, bro. That's the only reason why I didn't get out yet. And bro, the SPY, the Qs, and Apple are freaking tanking, dog. Going down to this level that it bounced off of. Decent. So this will be for all the marbles. If the SPY and the Qs get back down to that level, if we crack it, and this thing done reclaimed the hundreds. But dude, they're dumping on it, bro. Like, I guess people ain't trying to let go, bro. I missed my trade earlier, bro. The 98 puts, they were 19 cents. Should have grabbed them shits. They immediately went from 19 cents to $3 right at market open. And you know, we're freaking at 19 cents, bro. I would have grabbed like 10 of those. The SPY got down there to that level again and wicked up decent. Bro, look how flat the price action is on this thing, bro. Almost feel like just putting in a stop loss and stop watching it. Look, here's the test. If this thing cracks this level right here, previous close again, I believe that will have the momentum. And then the Qs, this level, 274.69, 274.70. If we get down there and crack that level, bro, that will give us the momentum to the downside. So right now, this thing's being propped up on hopes and dreams. Look at the SPY. All right. The SPY cracked it. Now it's trying to bounce. Dude, they are saving these shits, bro. The thing cracked the level and now, like it wicked. It bounced off a long wick all the way back up over it. Trying to turn red volume to green. Flashing red to green. That's how strong the bounce was. Look at this. Look. Christmas tree. Look. It won't give it up. Look. That's a lower low though and a lower high. So I'll take that. Look, this thing's back in the 20s. Was under 100. Now it's touching 30s. I see a bearish candle coming in on the SPY, bro. We've consistently put in lower lows and lower highs. And now there's a wick reaching up and rejecting. This freaking, bro, this play is taking too long, dog. Like, god damn it, bro. Opportunity cost, bro. And something told me not to trade better today. And it's not even about the loss, like, or like the potential of the loss. It's just like the time it's taken. If I see the SPY crack this level and like stay under it, I'm going to just leave it be. I'm gonna leave it be and freaking try to put a stop or something. Check later. I've never used a stop loss though on options. It's getting hot in here, bro. My computer, if my computer makes shit hot. I think I need to seal my window up. Look at all those red prints. We're getting close. Look, the SPY's bouncing. Dude, the SPY just got a decent bounce. Seeing a bunch of red prints. It was. Damn it. So I don't want to get stuck in no shit like this. But I'm kind of glad that I didn't stop out and flip long though, because I was about to. But look, as soon as I would have did that, it would have started trending back down. Then I would have lost both ways. The SPY and the Qs are trying to bounce, but a wick's reaching up to the sky and rejecting off the 120, the 9, and the short term on the SPY, and then just reaching up and rejecting off the 9 and the short term on the Qs. Same thing on Apple. All these crazy swings, bro, to the upside and downside on the big boys, but we're not seeing much of any action on Meta. It's almost like when a stock, like a company gets bought out by another company and the price action is just flat. What it reminds me of. I don't wanna. I need to figure out how to set a stop. Stop. Alright. Stop price. What should I make my stop price? They're trading at 53. Go. Damn. This is moving against me decent right now, bro. But I don't want to do a stop limit because it might not get filled. Resistance cause when placing stop orders on options due to market volatility, your order may be triggered and or executed with little movement in the underlying stock, triggered and or filled outside the current bid ask, or canceled at any time without notification. Fidelity recommends that customers not place stop orders on expiration Friday for options expiring that day. Yeah, but today's Thursday. Oh, the fucking market's tanking, bro. $60, $40, $30, yeah. Look, I don't want to sit here and watch this no more. Can't take the pain. Look. Oh, that bitch was like so close. Huge loss, bro. But I ain't trying to, dude. I know, dude. I know eventually logic will come into the markets. I ain't gonna fuck with the stop. I'm gonna get my shit ready to go. This thing looks like it's about to rocket. Because now I see some bouncing See, it's so weird though. Like the SPY and the Qs are bouncing. Apple's tanking. Nothing synchronized. The market's in shambles, bro. Look at Apple tanking. But the SPY and the Qs were just bouncing. I mean, I guess I'm. I was watching it on the 2 minute. We'll go to the 5 minute. I was trying to crack that level on the 5. So are the Qs. And then Apple is heading lower. Getting closer and closer to the low of day. The price action's so flat, dog. Even on the 10 minute, can't see nothing. This is what we'll do. $102.50. Just set me on alert. I better get up too high. Alright, it's going into midday. I definitely don't like to trade around midday. I'm stuck in this position. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take a quick break. And I'll be back on. So we can see the carnage that ensued. Me just sitting here watching this is just giving me gray hair. This thing's just trying to catch a bounce, dog. The SPY and the Qs are bouncing off that level again, previous close. And the Qs, the 274.70s. Every time it gets down there, it doesn't want to do nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a break, guys.